Hello everyone, this is Wayman again, and here to continue with the beginner series. Now, I have so far uploaded 2 videos and we're talking about a lot of things, so I decided to show up and explain some of the things we've been talking about in real time, okay? So what you're seeing here is MetaTrader 5 on a PC. This is the desktop version. I mean, it's of course on a laptop, but okay, this is the computer version in layman's term. And then there is the version that's on mobile also, which I believe almost the majority of people will be using. So I'll explain here and explain on the phone also. So I've created a fresh demo account with Xness to show you guys, because I'm going to be opening some trades here. Just opening. You wouldn't want to do that on a real account. Just opening. I'm just going to open trades along in my explanation. So what you can expect from this video, we're going to talk about things like currency pairs, the base and quote. We're going to talk about points, pips, those things I was talking about in the previous video, and then bid and ask. We're also going to open another trading platform which is called TradingView and show you how the pips are calculated that side. Yeah, so this one, it's not really going to be very long, but I'm going to cover some of the things I'll mention here will apply in the next video. The next thing we're going to be looking at, the next topic that we shall be looking at after the first 2 that I did upload, we'll look at trading platforms and tools. So I'll be talking about these platforms, the MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and TradingView in detail in the next upload. But for now, I just want us to have a recap to actually see some of the things I was talking about, the currency pairs, the base and quote, the a pip or points, okay? Yeah, some of those things when you're buying and selling, how do you buy and sell, lot size, okay? There was a lot we did discuss. So first things first, I want you to take a look to the left of the screen here where there is market watch here, okay? You will see GBP, JPY, and if you hover your cursor there, you'll see Great Britain pound versus Japanese yen. This is gold versus the dollar. And then this one is euro versus US dollar. This is the one I over talked about in our previous videos, in the previous uploads. And as you can see down here, you have tabs. You can open multiple pairs, currency pairs. You just keep switching, okay? You just keep switching. So we are going to use euro USD for now, okay? So what you can expect is, I've showed you, this is how they are listed for the PC version. And then as you can see, GBP, JPY. Now in this case, GBP is the base and JPY is the quote. That one was easily explained. And you see here you have bid and ask. So in this, you see the price 197.7. There is always a difference. It's of course in constant motion. If you subtract the 2, you'll get the spread. As I explained to you, the difference between the bid price and the ask price, you get spread. That is the difference between the 2. But you don't really need to have that on your fingertips. You don't need to cram it like one time you enter into an examination or something. No, you don't need. You just need to know, okay? The next time someone talks about spread, you're not blah, you have an idea. Because I'll tell you, you will create accounts with brokers that their spreads are big. So you should always try to avoid these brokers that give you huge spreads because they are taking a lot from you. Find brokers that give you tight spreads, and above all, find trustworthy brokers. So I've showed you guys these currency pairs, and for now I'm going to open a trade. Okay, I'm going to open a trade. I'll put a take profit and a stop loss. This is not going to be a winning trade because trust me, I'm just going to buy Euro USD in the smallest lot size. I'm just going to buy it. I'm not going to, because as you can see, it's selling. But you know, I'll buy from low. The art of trading is you buy low and sell high, but this is 1 minute time frame. Please, we're just using this for learning purposes. So no analysis done. Literally, I'm closing my eyes and buying. So if you look right here, you see this. If you look here, you see this 0.04 here. That is your lot size. Okay, I tried to explain to you guys what lot size is last time. This is it. 0.04 is the lot size I was using in my previous account. So it's here now. On the desktop or on the PC version, you see these arrows. The arrow that points down is the one you use to reduce. You see? And the smallest lot, of course, it's not 0.00, it's 0.1. That's the smallest. And then you can keep increasing. Actually, here, you can even type in lot 120, okay? It just depends on your account size. But for beginners, stick to this, 0.01. And some of the friendly pairs you should trade are, of course, Euro USD and maybe GBP USD. But for now, I'm just going to open a buy trade on Euro USD. So if you want to buy, you click this. You just click it. If you want to sell, you click this. Yeah. So assuming you've done your analysis and you know, yeah, this is going to be a buy trade, and you take your trade. You see, after taking your trade, it has come here. Buy 0.01 at, that is the price you've bought at. So let's say, remember, when you buy, you expect the market to do what? When you buy, you expect the market to go up, okay? And then when you sell, you expect the market to go down. So I have bought, meaning I'm expecting the market to go up. Guys, we're just doing this for learning. So I can decide to put my take profit somewhere here. This is not what I normally do, okay? This is just for learning, and I know I've not taught you guys take profit on stop loss. For the desktop version, you just, if let's say if you've opened a buy trade, okay, just click on the trade and drag in the direction where you expect the market to go. It will automatically bring for you take profit. Then if you click on it again and drag downwards, it will bring for you stop loss. Stop loss stands, it's SL. SL stands for stop loss. And then TP stands for take profit. Don't strain your heads with TP and SL. I'll teach you guys those. But let me show you what's happening. Okay. I told you I was buying. I told you I bought. You see? So if it's blue like this, blue is for profits. So that is $0.4241. It keeps, now it's 0.5. Yeah, it's in profits. I have bought. Okay. So our entry price was at 1.17533. Okay. That was our entry price. We hope that our take profit is at what? You see? The take profit level, if you hover above it, it's at me try to get the price. It's here. You come down here. Take profit. It's supposed to be, let me remove these. You see at 1.176. So the difference between this and the entry price gives you the pips. Okay. Now, if you look at the take profit, if you hover above it, if you hover on it like this, you should be able to see something like points. You see profit. If this trade goes to where our take profit is, we shall make $1.42. Okay. And in points, you have 142 points. 142 points. So remember, points and pips are different. Okay. Points and pips are so different. They are so different. Now, let's leave that trade there. Please, I don't expect you to open your MetaTrader and do this. I just used basic principle that you buy when the market is low, sell when it's up. And trust me, no analysis done, okay? This is just for you to know what happens when you open a trade. And I will tell you, if I had opened a sell trade here, this would be negative 1 point, whatever the value is. Okay, it would be a negative. So let's move on and look at something else. So I want to show you how on MetaTrader you can know the number of points the market is going to move for you. You see this crosshair? If you use this crosshair, you drag it, let's say from this point. Let's find out the number of points the market moved from here until down here. So you use the crosshair, you drag up to down here. Now you're seeing there is 1.17, that is the price. Then there is 24 bars, 348 points. That is the movement in points. And usually MetaTrader 5 uses the word points instead of pips. Actually, even MetaTrader 4, almost all these platforms do the same. So this, what you're looking at, is what we mean by the points. And for Euro USD, this, you just divide it by 100. Okay, so this, to get the pips, you divide the points by 100. Yeah, no, not 100, by 10. Sorry about that. You divide the points by 10. So this movement was 34 pips. This is 34 pips. And this movement of ours, this one here, you divide it by 10, you have 14.4 pips. For Euro USD, it doesn't apply to all. So let me show you guys on the phone. This account is also on the phone, so this trade you'll be able to follow it from that side also. So we are on the phone now. I'm going to show you how to open a trade on the phone, how you can calculate the number of points the market will move or has moved. Okay, and also for the phone, it's almost similar to that of the PC, just mode of execution is different. And then also you will get to see your running trade from here. So let's get to it now. If you want to open, since these are your currency pairs that you're watching, if you want to open Euro USD, okay, and see its candlesticks, I'll also teach you guys about candlesticks. You tap on it and then tap on chart. You tap on this, okay, so you tap on chart, it will open for you. This is our trade, the one we opened on the PC. So as you can see, the market went up and it has come back to our entry point. But now, how do you calculate your points here? So let me show you something quick. When you tap on trade here, this thing that says trade, you can view your running trade. Now as you can see, it was red, it was in losses, but it has moved back to blue. That's because the market had, you see that long wick, that long wick, this one. I'll teach you guys about wicks and candlesticks. It passed through our entry, our trade. That's why it went to losses. So if this market moves downwards, we shall be in losses, but it has gone back up, so we are still in profits. Now on MetaTrader 5, how do you execute a trade? I'm going to buy again. So let's put our lot size to 0.01. You see, on this side, you have buy, on that side, you have sell. So buy, sell, it's just the same principle. You tap buy and it will open. So now, how do you, if you want to know the number of points the market is going to move, or if you want to plan your trade, just tap on the trade. You will see these three buttons: close, SL, TP. So tap on TP and move it like this. You see, 180, 170. The number of points is there, 209 points. And if you divide that by 10, you'll have your 18 pips. So let me show you. Now you see, this trade is in negatives because I put buy for the market to go up, but you see the market is slightly below our entry. That's why it's red. So yeah, basically that is it. How to close a trade, that is simple. I'll go over these things one more time later on. You long press on it, close position, you close. I closed that one with a loss, but it's okay. So that's how you close a trade. Okay, so the next thing that I'll upload soon will be discussing these apps, these softwares in detail. We're going to look at MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 5 and 4 are the same, so I'll only look at MetaTrader 5. I'll look at TradingView, and then we shall move on to more classwork. Yeah, so I'm going back to the PC. Right, we are back here. Now I want to show you something on TradingView also. So yeah, I've launched TradingView, and also we are on Euro USD. Okay, this is TradingView. It's a completely different platform. Now on TradingView, if its main purpose is for analysis, with time, when you start analyzing these markets, this is the tool you will use. Okay, it's by far better than MetaTrader for analysis, but for trading, for executing trades, you will use MetaTrader. But also this one has buy and sell buttons, though some brokers cannot run here. Now I'm going to show you here, mainly I'm going to show you pips, also points, okay, how they are, how you can see them from here. So TradingView has a lot of tools, so many. Now for if you want to know price movements, there is this tool called price range. Okay, you tap on it, then you drag it from your point of interest to how far you want to measure, and there it is. Now here it's given to you in pips. You see, 69.2. Ignore the negative. Let me give you another one. Remember this one that we measured the other side and was 30 something? You see here it's 34.7 pips. The other side it was 300 and something points, 348 points, which gives 34.8 pips. Now on TradingView, these figures are given to you in pips. Like you see there, 34.7 pips when you use this tool, price range. Okay, that is a pip. Then pipette, of course, I told you guys, you just divide the pip by 10. If here we have 34, and then the pipette is 3.4. Okay, so let's go back to our MetaTrader. Let's check on our trade, and then $1.3. So what happens is, if it reaches take profit, it will close on its own. If it reaches stop loss, it will close on its own. So yeah, that is enough for today. Let's catch up the next time. Please watch these videos and recommend the channel to other people so that we're able to grow it. There is a lot that is yet to come. Yeah, see you on the next one.